Hello my friends, this is Gospower 40.4 kilowatt lithium battery with wheels. On the screen, you can check the basic information about the batteries. For example, the voltage, current, SOC, SOH, and the status. At the moment, the battery is discharging and using 100 amps discharge current. The second page, you can check the more information about the battery, such as how many capacity and the temperature about the batteries and each cell's voltage. The third page, you can check the warning information. Any warning signals you can check from here. Okay, the fourth page is about the protection information. Any protection alarm you also can check from here. Okay, the last page you can check the system information. When your battery has some problem, you can tell us the serial number, and then you can check from here. And this is the function for selecting the battery BMS protocols. And here selecting the language. Okay. And here is about the communication ports. These are for the parallel connection, and this for the BMS communication, and this is for the computer software. This is dial switch when you need to adjust it in the parallel connection. And these are the battery connecting terminals. Okay, this is the short introduction about our 14.4 kilowatt lithium batteries. And also, with this same appearance, we can make the battery with the 16 kilowatt lithium battery. Okay, for more information, you can check with us. Thank you.